Assalamualaikum. Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Siyamday English. In this video I want to share with you some animals name in English. So let's get started. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nighthawk. O for ostrich. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rhino. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for Uriel. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for xenophas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So dear friends, I am ending here for today. Everyone will be fine. Please subscribe, comment, share and like this channel to get more educational videos like this. Allah Hafiz.